Street. If you see a traffic problem,
the hell? That's a left turn lane.
line 855.
What? Oh my God, you serious? Oh my God. You gotta be kidding me. There's a car right back. That's definitely going on YouTube. Why should you move over to the left? No, I can't do that. It's right line. That is... Why would you do that? No signal or nothing. Yeah, no U-turn. People don't know what the fuck they're... What the hell's that over there? Guess you can go first. Fuck. Right through the stop sign. What the fuck?
The crazy guy was in fact killed. Yeah, thank goodness. But there should be an outcry maybe for mental health care. Yeah, maybe. Well,
Come on. Are you serious? How's that Honda doing? Yeah, that... Wow. Everyone just screwed up. They're all up. Fuck!
Here, I moved to New York. I lived in New York for a month. And now I know why all of my New York friends want me to move there. They want another warm body between them.
There you go. Wow, that's dumb.
Could everyone just, yeah, could you guys shut
red
up?
lights.
Okay? Say your
Idiots. What? Traffic rules. What are you doing? Oh, get out of the middle. Wow. What the fuck's going on? Jeez. Where from that guy? Oh, come on, use the center turn lane.
Least suspected. Maybe. What Alex thinks on the way. The high school seminar that went poorly because of a terrible plan that everyone should have seen. Hey, this is going to go poorly.
Hey, can you tailgate anymore?
It is the free beer now.
Giants fan. What's that?
You can't pick either of those. No, you can't. You have to do a new. You have to say. You have to say.
Oh yeah, that's
cross.
a right turn only back there. Oh geez, that car spun out on that off ramp over there. Wow. Let's see if that got on film.
The dude can turn cinnamon into money.
Uh-oh.
So I don't know what.
What's that guy?
I don't know what.
He's going back up the on ramp.
How come he was at?
The wrong way. And another going up the on ramp the wrong way.
By the time the far superior Atari 2600 hit store shelves, the writing
Up
was
the shoulder
on the
over
wall.
there. How's that truck doing up there?
So he's only offering up 8 years, which I noticed. Seems a little bit.
See if that got on
skimpy.
camera.
When we swap back out.
Right. Oh.
Ellen and Caitlyn Jenner yet.
Oh, up the
but there
shoulder.
have been a few instances.
Good signaling. Oh, you signaled after you'd make the turn. I get how you work. Okay. Yay. And of course, yeah, that's a stop sign. That you completely ran through. Yeah, it's kind of wet. That's what she said.
Starting off as a comedian, late 80s, early 90s, I opened for a lot of comedy magicians. Comedy magicians just ruled the landscape
Cut across 3 lanes.
in the
2
early
exits.
90s, because back then it was like, hey, are you a shitty comedian? You gotta swing by yourself.
I barely noticed the light on the mirror. Oh shit, I ran a red light.
You done messed up, AA Ron!
Too early. You're kind of early. What the hell's that guy doing? And you're being a douche. And everyone's being a douche. Oh. That's definitely wrong. I don't give a shit if he is taking the next exit. It's a solid red. Yummy. That's one hell of a U-turn. That van ran the red light. What? Where are you going? Are you sure? Are you positive?
Ready for speed. Explain what your options are.
What are you doing?
You're absolute.
Okay, thank you, man. What would happen if
But he was nothing but kind to her. He did. He jumped through the hoops that she was requesting, even though it's probably a drag. That okay.
Just
fine,
give me a warning.
Ugh, you pig. She does sound very pig.
Play. Let's not forget that Eli got away from major pressure on that play to get the ball downfield.
Joe, he's a good quarterback. I'm not saying the kid's not a bad quarterback, but when you make
Oh, you're being a dick.
Hey, how that jersey look for?
Huh?
How that look for? Too big or too small?
Looks so small.
Looks, huh? Say it again.
Yeah, it looks small. Yeah, around the midsection. Around the waist it looks small.
Oh.